Doesn't it just feel like Christmas when new boxes come? I'm excited to unbox with you some products I got from Rainbow Resources and Amazon for our next school year. So we'll start with the small package from Amazon. I already opened both packages because I wanted to make sure everything was there. Plus, I just wanted to remember what I got. So that is the problem when you have this. So the couple things I got from Amazon, and I will say both of these I got toward like the end of the school year. Usually I have like some funding that I am trying to spend for like next year from our public virtual school, and so I got a few things for next school year. So from Amazon I got this Usborne, or Paper Pie now, I guess, Dinosaurs Magic Paint Book, because if you have seen like my unboxing from The Good and the Beautiful, I do have a Bones and Stones unit, so I thought this would be fun to do with it. We don't have any like activity books that I got from The Good and the Beautiful for the dinosaur section, so I wanted to get a couple of fun things. So here is also a highlights hidden picture book, and it just has lots of things you can color in it and color the things that you need to find. And the paint book, it's, if you haven't seen these are just like you just add water with the paintbrush and it'll magically paint itself. Okay, so that is pretty much all from Amazon that I got with our funding. And then from Rainbow Resources, I got a few different things. Now, we have started liking these brain box games, and I saw on Rainbow Resources, I don't think I saw this on Amazon, I could be mistaken, I might have seen this. Anyways, brain box, and this is a dinosaur one. Like I said, we're doing dinosaurs. I wanted to kind of get some fun things for dinosaurs. And then I saw this Dinosaurs Fossils Dig Kit. I thought she could have fun with that. So they just dig, kind of like chip away at the fossil for the fossils. And then I have mentioned in my language arts thing that I was inspired by Ticket to Learning with how she uses Plaid Phonics and spelling workout. So I did get Plaid Phonics. It's colorful. It's kind of similar in a way to like Explode the Code, but it's like going through the phonics. It has like stories and all sorts of things. So I really like it after going through it. So I'm excited. I just got the workbook. I don't think I'm going to need the teacher's book, especially at this age. I don't think it has answers really in this one, but I don't think we'll need answers for grade 2 phonics. So another thing I got from Rainbow Resources is this Draw Right Now. This is, what book is this? Book 7. And this is part of their handwriting and all sorts of things. It has pictures that they can learn to draw. She specifically asked for one that has like jungle things. So this one has Animals of the World Part 1, Tropical Forest, Northern Forest, and Forest Down Under. We have about 4 or 5 other ones. Some are history based, some are not. So she will love this. She is my monkey lover, so she will be so excited, and other animals. So they have been doing this. I specifically have done this for my younger one, especially lately, because I want her to start developing better penmanship, and I think this copy work and drawing are great ways. So the last thing I got from Rainbow Resources for now is spelling workout, and this is book B, so level like around grade 2. So this is not very colorful compared to the Plaid Phonics. I believe they are the same company. Yes, both Savas company, but this is like blue and black and white, pretty much has some pictures in it. So the spelling is going to be over here. They have the list words in both print and cursive. They have like a little, kind of like a test type thing. Then some activities, like this one says alphabetical order, mixed up words. There's some proofreading in here, writing a description. So there's all sorts of things. There's review in here. I don't know. I'm going to look through this a little more because I do also have the Evan Moore book, and I'm just trying to decide which one I like. From a glance, I kind of like this one. It seems maybe more challenging and like including a little bit more with like proofreading and like reading a little bit and writing a little bit more. So I'm kind of leaning toward this one over the Evan Moore one, but I'm going to hold on to Evan Moore just in case. So that's pretty much just like a little mini unboxing of what I got from Rainbow Resources and Amazon for next school year. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.